If you're reading this, you understand the importance of increasing your earning potential in 2025. Money is everywhere. You just need to claim it. Here's a list of 15 side hustles you can start today with just a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and a willingness to work. While these may not make you a millionaire, they can certainly supplement your income. Analyze your expenses. Take a close look at your spending habits. Pull up your bank or credit card statements and identify where your money goes. Understanding this exchange of money for value will sharpen your ability to earn. Show, don't tell. When offering a service, provide samples of your work. This approach builds trust and increases the likelihood of securing clients. Go the extra mile. Reach out more and put in extra effort. There's money to be made, but you must be proactive in claiming it. Next, we have here a list of side hustles. 1. TikTok content creation. Leverage TikTok's popularity by creating content for businesses or editing videos for influencers. This platform provides immense reach and engagement potential. 2. Graphic design. If you have design skills, search for opportunities on platforms like Twitter. Many businesses are in dire need of quality graphic design, and the pay difference between good and great designers is substantial. 3. Boutique marketing agency. Offer services like Facebook ads, email marketing, and more. Your role is to connect with clients and help them grow their businesses. 4. YouTuber. If you're passionate about a subject, consider starting a YouTube channel. While it may take time to monetize, it can become a lucrative source of income. 5. TikTok theme pages. Create and flip TikTok theme pages by rebranding them for profitability. This involves selling shoutouts and promotions to grow your audience. 6. YouTube script writing. If you're skilled in writing, consider crafting scripts for YouTubers. This behind-the-scenes role is crucial for many successful channels. 7. Coaching. Share your expertise in areas like chess, music, or health via virtual coaching sessions. This can be done easily through platforms like Zoom. 8. Video editing. With video content booming, offer editing services to businesses or influencers. Focus on creating engaging videos that retain viewer attention. 9. eBay flipping. Start by selling items around your home. Learn how to take great photos and write compelling listings to maximize profits. 10. Copywriting. Businesses need written content for emails, social media, and more. If you can write compelling copy, you can earn well in this field. 11. Remote sales. Explore remote sales positions. While they can be demanding, the earning potential is significant for those willing to take the plunge. 12. Thumbnail editor. Thumbnails are crucial for video engagement. Offer your services to YouTubers to create eye-catching thumbnails that boost click-through rates. 13. Website designer. Design websites with a focus on user experience and conversion rates. Highlighting the benefits of your design approach can attract clients. 14. Affiliate marketing. While challenging without an audience, affiliate marketing can be lucrative. Build a content platform to generate traffic before diving in. 15. Discord moderation. Join the growing demand for community moderators on platforms like Discord or Facebook. As communities grow, so does the need for effective moderation. There's a wealth of opportunities available. The key is to take action. Choose a side hustle that resonates with you and start today. The time to claim your share of the income is now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.